The bees are polishing the front entrance in preparation for the rain that may be coming soon. You notice all the clouds up there? Rain is coming, so the bees need to polish and clean that entrance so that any rain that comes in will beat off and fall out the hive and not cause a problem inside. So this is what is happening right now. They're also coming in with a lot of pollen. One bee is trying to get rid of me, too close to the entrance there. Buzzing around like that. Yeah man, today is Mother's Day. And although they are not mothers, but they are working. Mother's Day 2019, boy. These bees and them, they're working like that. You see how they're fanning the entrance here, blowing that air in and getting the air on the other side out, ventilating the colonies. Yeah man. Some of them are even coming in loaded with pollen on their back legs. While I am observing the behavior of these bees here today, I can smell that they're coming in with a lot of pollen. So that tells me that the hive, all these colonies are doing very well, and I don't need to worry about them. What I wanted to do was to make some splits, but due to the inclement weather that we have been having, I don't think I will do that, because bees don't like when the weather is like this and you go and interfere with their colonies, you know. From outside observation, I can see that they are handling this transition very nice. And to go inside there and interfere with them now would really be interfering with them. So I would leave that split to be done at some months away. And you can see I'm right here looking at the colonies, doing the video, and one or two just come and check me out a little bit, but that's about it. Nobody coming to tell me, well, leave the area. In any event, this is the scenes that is happening here. These three colonies here are doing extremely well. As you can see, lots of pollen coming in. They are also they're tolerating me very well too. So leave them alone. When bees doing good, just to leave them alone. So don't forget, I appreciate you coming and sharing this with me. Subscribe, share, like, give that thumbs up, and most of all, hit that bell icon for me. Ring it. Okay, later. I'll go in and do something else now. So, see you. TTFN.